This video walks you through how to find QuickBooks license number. If you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, start by making sure the correct company is selected before you continue. This matters because the identifier you are looking for belongs to the company that is currently open, so you want to confirm you are viewing the right one. Once you are in the right company, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the main settings menu for the company you are working in. In that menu, look for the section labeled Your Company. Within that section, select Additional Info. When you click it, a small window will open with company details and keyboard shortcuts. At this point, it helps to know that QuickBooks Online does not show a field called license number in this area. Instead, the identifying number you can use is listed as your company ID. Near the top of the window, find the company ID. If you were expecting to see the words license number, this is the part to pay attention to, because QuickBooks Online uses company ID as the company identifier in this view. Take a moment to verify that you are looking at the company ID near the top of the window. That is the number to use when a QuickBooks Online company identifier is required. The rest of the window may include keyboard shortcuts and other information, but the company ID is the item you need for this task. Next to the company ID, click Copy. This places the number on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever it is needed. If you are using the number for support, account records, or another QuickBooks related form, copying it directly helps avoid typing mistakes. After the number has been copied, close the window by clicking OK or by selecting the X, depending on what appears on your screen. Either option will close the company ID and keyboard shortcuts window and return you to your QuickBooks Online page. Thanks for watching. Your QuickBooks Online company ID is now copied and ready to use as the company identifier.